If you are wondering which phone offers the best value for money in a budget segment, this video is for you. Hey, Shivam here. Starting with the unboxing, it's pretty neat and simple. First we have the device itself, then a quick guide, then there's SIM ejection pin, and lastly we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Let's start with the design of this smartphone. This phone is 7.5mm slim and comes in two premium colors, Sapphire Black and Moonlight Silver. When it comes to build quality, the phone is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus and it comes with an IP rating of IP54, meaning resistance to dust and water splashes. The display is amazing at 6.7 inch. It's Super AMOLED panel with 90Hz of refresh rate. The peak brightness goes up to 1100 nits, which means the screen remains crystal clear even in direct sunlight. The gaming and video watching experience is fantastic on this display. Now let's talk about performance. The phone runs on the Exynos 1330 processor based on 5nm technology. It handles everything smoothly from daily tasks to moderate gaming. It's available in 4GB, 6GB or 8GB RAM option, so you can choose accordingly. Looking at the camera setup, we get a triple camera setup on the back. One is 50 megapixel with OIS, so no shaky videos, takes good photos in day and night as well. Along with that, we get 5 megapixel ultra wide shooter and a 2 megapixel macro lens. It offers a versatile photography experience overall. So now for selfie, we get 13 megapixel front camera and a maximum video resolution of full HD at 30 fps. So overall camera is great on this device, and same goes with the battery life, as we get a solid battery backup here. There's 5000 mAh of capacity and supports 25 watts of fast charging. It easily lasts a full day even with heavy usage. Now let's dive into the security features that makes this phone even more special. First is the privacy and protection. It comes with three major pillars. Auto blocker is there, which blocks malware in messaging apps, removes location data while sharing gallery items, and blocks apps and updates from unauthorized sources. No unauthorized command can be executed through USB cable, so that makes it even more secure. Now there's Knox Vault, the Samsung's exclusive security feature that stores your personal data in a separate tamper-proof hardware. Your data remains secure even against voltage fluctuations, temperature changes or laser attack. Pins, patterns and passwords get special protection too. With One UI 7's exclusive benefits surpass Android 15, it includes theft detection lock, offline device lock and remote lock features. And biometric authentication is required to change important security settings in unfamiliar locations. Plus there is a 1 hour security delay. For next level software experience, there are a lot of features. We get the best update policy in the market, that is guaranteed OS updates and security updates for 6 years. This means better long-term value out of your phone. Now bar is there, which easily checks on ongoing tasks on lock screen, and always on display is there, managing media control, stopwatch, timer, voice recorder, all in one place. Now voice focus is Samsung's exclusive feature that delivers crystal clear voice and video calls even in noisy environments. It filters background noise and enhances voice. Now coming down to the price, let's talk about it. The 4GB variant with 128GB of storage starts at a very budget friendly price tag of 13,000 rupees, and you can top that up with offers. So check out the latest discount and bank offers from the Amazon link in the description below. However, there is also 6GB and 8GB RAM option, so you can see the pricing on the screen as well. Now choose your RAM option based on your need, but you will find the link in the description as well. But overall, the Galaxy M17 is a complete package. Premium features, strong security, long-term software support and reliable performance, all at a competitive price point. And with 6 years of updates, your phone is future-proof. So check it out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this a video a like. Now if you are looking for more budget smartphones, then you can watch this video. And if you are looking for a premium smartphone, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.